When IT teams choose a docking station, the headline specs are only part of the story. What really matters is what happens after deployment. How many adapters are required? How many drivers need to be managed? How easy is it to asset tag, secure, troubleshoot, and support at scale? That's the lens we want to use today with the Plugable TBT-UDH2. This is our flagship Thunderbolt 5 docking station of 2026. And with this video, I'd like to talk about why this dock is an excellent fit for IT admins. First, it's a driverless dock. The TBT-UDH2 uses native Thunderbolt display output, so there's no software driver to install, approve, package, update, or troubleshoot. That means fewer variables in managed environments, fewer user prompts on macOS, and fewer tickets from users who just want their monitors to work. That's one less software dependency to manage across the fleet. Second, Dual HDMI is built in. This is easy to overlook, but it matters a lot in real deployments. Many Thunderbolt docks rely on downstream USB-C or Thunderbolt ports for display output. That can work well if you have monitors that support it, but it often means users need to separate USB-C to HDMI or USB-C to DisplayPort video adapters. Those adapters add cost, create ordering complexity, and become one more possible failure point. With the TBT-UDH2, two HDMI 2.1 ports are built directly on the dock. For a standard dual monitor workstation, users can connect both displays without additional video adapters. Third, it's fanless. We went through multiple design iterations to optimize operating temperature and avoid an active fan. With a premium anodized aluminum chassis, this dock dissipates its heat passively. So no fan noise, and no fan means no moving part to wear out or fail. In large deployments, that matters. A quiet dock is nice, but a dock with fewer mechanical failure points is better. Fourth, there's no internal NVMe slot. That may sound like an odd thing to call out, but for IT teams, it can be a real advantage. That's because an internal SSD slot inside a dock introduces questions around data security, encryption, drive management. It also adds to the heat profile. The TBT-UDH2 avoids that entirely. There's no internal storage device to inventory, secure, or sanitize later. It stays focused on docking, displays, charging, networking, and peripheral expansion. Fifth, asset management is easier. The TBT-UDH2 includes scannable serial number and MAC address labels. That helps during receiving, deployment, desk assignment, and troubleshooting. You can scan the dock, capture the serial number, document the MAC address, and tie it back to the workstation location or user assignment without manually copying long strings from packaging or system reports. For one desk, that's convenient, but for a full deployment, it saves a lot of time and reduces errors. Sixth, physical security is built in. The TBT-UDH2 includes security slots, so the dock can be secured in shared workspaces, classrooms, labs, hoteling desks, front offices, or any environment where equipment needs to stay in place. That's especially useful when docks are deployed as part of a standardized workstation rather than assigned to a single user. Seventh, it fits different desk layouts. The TBT-UDH2 supports both vertical and horizontal orientation. That gives IT more flexibility during rollout. You can stand it upright to save desk space or lay it flat underneath a monitor stand, behind a display, or a cart, or wherever the workstation design makes the most sense. That sounds small until you're trying to standardize hardware across offices with different desks, different monitor arms, and different cable routing constraints. Finally, there are enough USB ports to produce add-ons. The TBT-UDH2 includes a grand total of 9 USB ports with both USB-C and USB-A options. That's the most we've ever offered on a dock. That gives users room for keyboards, mice, webcams, headsets, storage devices, charging cables, and many other common peripherals without immediately needing another hub. For IT, fewer add-on hubs means fewer unsupported accessories, fewer mystery devices, and a cleaner workstation. So the IT story of the TBT-UDH2 is not just that it's a high-performance Thunderbolt 5 dock, it's that it removes friction from deployment and support. For users, the experience is simple. plug in one cable, and get to work. For IT, that simplicity is the feature. That's the Plugable TBT-UDH2.